your role here in Instagram?
I would be playing the role of Danny, a young CEO na instalado. Yeah, actually ako yung nagpapatakbo ng marketing ng installation centers sa Pilipinas. So,
What are the challenges while doing the film?
siguro the challenge is, well, for every actor is how to justify your role. In my case, I had to justify that I am a young CEO. I was playing a role younger than my age, 3 years younger than my age. Pero kasi we all know that a year or two can make a difference sa tao. I had to remember sa part ng life ko when I thought I knew everything and I was young. Parang gano'n. Kailangan ko maging batang alam lahat. Kaya gano'n. We all had that stage. Medyo mahirap siya sa akin kasi of course over the years I learned stuff. I tried to be mature. Then I have to go back doon sa part na yun when I thought I already knew everything. And maybe some of the challenges itself was kung paano gumagana utak ng character because si Danny was really smart. He's really smart, he's really driven, pero he's sad. He's frustrated. So, yeah, that's actually a challenge.
Personally, ano yung mga natutunan mo after doing the film?
I learned how wala kasi nagalingan ako kay Direk Jason because how he created the movie was actually accurate. Parang I saw this Parang I saw this part sa script, so sabi ko, yes, I think that's how a Filipino would react. Natutunan ko na, well, knowledge really isn't everything. Kasi in my case, parang I was so young, I already knew a lot, but I'm still sad. Parang I'm frustrated, I'm torn. So I learned that knowledge really can make you rich, diba? Knowledge can take you to different places, to high places, pero it can never really make you happy or content.
How did you get the role? Nag-audition ka ba or ikaw yung handpicked?
Yes, I was referred with sa ng line producer namin si Miss Minda Ponce. Kasi before that, prior to that, parang a month or 2 weeks before, 3 weeks before, nagkaroon ako ng movie with Direk Chito Ronyo, and I was also working with the line producer. Tapos, well, nirefer niya ako kay Direk Jason. Yun, nag-approve na. Diretso na kami sa characterization, sa pasa ng script din na shoot.
Ghost Bride ba yun? Yung kay Direk Chito na movie. Ghost Bride or different?
Different. I don't think pwede pa siyang sabihin.
Okay.
Pero, kasi hindi ko alam I honestly don't know. So, para lang maging safe, I won't say. Pero hindi siya Ghost Bride. Yun na lang. Para sure, hindi siya Ghost Bride.
Ayun, last question na lang, bakit kailangan panoorin yung instalado?
Kailangan siyang panoorin first and foremost because it's good. Okay? Good siya kasi it's a sci-fi genre which never really, hindi ba never, pero hindi siya madalas lumabas sa Philippine cinema. Kasi when we think of sci-fi, we always think of Marvel or superheroes and stuff. This is different. This can relate to the Filipino people. This takes place 30 to 40 years from the future. And parang it would really amaze you how accurate it can be kahit 30 to 40 years from now pa. You would be amazed parang sa stories na pwedeng mangyari sa atin if installation is really possible.